This is Team 19, and today we will be presenting a status update about our product Vision. So, just a quick reminder of our project. Our goal was to create a simple, intuitive way to create visualizations for smaller news outlets so that they would be able to create more impactful stories as the larger outlets do, this including New York Times, the BBC, and CNN. In our last sprint, we showed a general landing page with a generic flow that gave a taste of how our prototype would function, but since then we have greatly expanded functionality. Since our last sprint, our team has worked tirelessly to implement several new key features. These features include 1. The addition of 3 more visualizations, and 2 of those are even customizable for the overall style and feel. 2. A system to dynamically switch in and out of a visualization, something that was static before, so that did not exist. And 3rd, an addition of a presentation mode that would easily allow embedding for visualizations into websites. And lastly, as a bonus, we provided an example article of what a visualization would look like in an ideal finished product. And with that being said, let's get started in the demo. As you can see, the Choose Your Visualization screen still remains the same, but the functionality has definitely expanded. In the first demo, we were only able to show you the pie chart with general configurations, but now we have a working bar chart as well as map. With the feedback from the first demo, we were able to adjust some settings and make changes to our current prototype. So with that, let's go right ahead into the stacked bar chart. On click, we see that the description has changed for this particular example, but the upload screen has not. With that, we will click Upload CSV and input some sample data to load the visualization. Upon upload, we are brought to this particular screen where we notice a familiar configuration bar on the left side. Here, the users can freely customize the color palette for the bar chart. There are several colors given just in case the user does not prefer to use the default settings. Further down the configuration panel, we see an embed link. With the embed link, users can easily integrate this bar chart onto their articles. We hope to integrate more settings for each visualization, but we are still in progress. And with this, that wraps up the first new visualization. So, by using the system that allows us to switch in and out of visualization, we're going to go back into the home page. So at that, we're going to go click on the second new visualization, which is third on this page, called the map. And again, we see the same upload screen as before. We wanted to keep consistency across this prototype, so we will click Upload CSV and upload demo data and render the map visualization. And as we can see on this next page, there are several options to customize on the configuration panel. The icons are different pinpoints that the users can select from. Also, there are 2 themes as well, dark and light. The embed link works exactly the same as the bar chart, so if we enter that same link into the search bar at the top, we can see this next screen right here. So going to this next tab, we are going to show you a short snippet of another visualization that we have in progress. Our fellow group member Aaron has been working tirelessly on this tree map visualization. And so this has yet to actually be fully integrated into the landing page, but it is in the works. We just wanted to show you what we had in store for our next sprint and just give you a preview of what we had going on currently. Also, we are currently deciding and designing for more potential visualizations that will be feasible and implemented during the last few weeks of the next sprint. So moving on, the next feature and the last feature that I would like to introduce is the presentation mode I mentioned earlier. This particular page was modeled after an interactive article found on the New York Times website. The articles that we viewed on the New York Times site were the initial inspiration for this whole project. And so ideally, we would like the process of uploading, customizing, and even publishing to be super intuitive and easy to use. As for this current sprint, those are all of the updates that we have for you.